Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. I wanted to share this one because a lot of the customer service job leads that we share are taking inbound phone calls, and a lot of people don't want to be on the phone taking phone calls all the time and having irate customers in their ear. This one is different. Even though it is phone work, you will be making the outbound phone calls, and you do not have to talk to upset customers at all. You are simply calling dentist offices and asking questions. So there should be not a lot of stress level to this one. So let's just dive on in. Just know the links to everything are in the YouTube description box below. The company Guardian, now they are a financial institution. They provide things like life insurance policies, different insurance products, different financial products. They are hiring a processing and policyholder services support associate. This is remote within the United States, but they are looking for someone to accurately process applications and maintenance of records. So what this means is your primary responsibility, like I said, will be making outreach calls to dental offices to validate the information in their Guardian's directory. So when you call the dentist offices, you'll have certain information that you need to ask them. You'll record their answers and move on. You'll accurately document and record those answers and maintain an Excel spreadsheet. You'll conduct timely follow-up requests to dental offices to successfully finalize all outreaches. You adhere to your work schedule and state assignments, and of course you'll be reviewing new applications, requesting missing documentation, and entering data into multiple processing systems. You'll review, update records, provide reports, and respond to inquiries from multiple email boxes. So this is not a complete all the time phone gig. You will be doing other administrative work. Will you not be on the phone making those outbound calls? Now they do require somebody who has a high school diploma or GED for this position, someone who has knowledge of Microsoft Excel and Outlook, someone who has experience in web-based systems or working on the internet, and someone who has experience of working between multiple systems, so a multitasker. Now this is remote 100% work from home. The pay for this ranges from $35,000 a year all the way up to $58,000 a year. And of course, they provide standard benefits including dental, vision, health insurance, all of those things, a 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Sharing is always caring, so if you found this video and job lead helpful, please like this video. That gives me direct feedback that it was helpful. And please share with all your friends and family so we can all live our healthiest, happiest life working from home. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.